Alright guys, I almost forgot. The last thing we have to do is get rid of this pesky maintenance required light up here. Hopefully you can see that. So what we have to do is, you see our odometer here is set on trip B. So there's a button down here that you can push and change that over to odometer. You don't want it on trip A or trip B to do this. You want it on odometer. So now that we have it on odometer, we have to hold that button so we can turn the ignition back off, but we have to hold that button as we turn the ignition to the on position. So here we go. And we should see a blinking light. I'm going to figure out how I can do this and hold the camera at the same time here. Okay, and that's it. As you saw, the maintenance light went out. So that's how you reset it. So just to go back through it, you basically have to have your odometer set to odometer, not trip A or B. So get that straightened out to begin with, and then you turn your ignition off. You push this button down here that you guys can't see probably because the lighting's pretty poor in here. There's a button down there under your instrument cluster there for cycling through your odometer and your all that stuff. Tripometer, all that. Well, you hold that button down while simultaneously you turn your ignition to the on position. You don't have to start the car, you just turn it to on like that, and that'll clear your maintenance required code. Alright guys, appreciate you tuning in. Hit the thumbs up if you don't mind, and until then, we'll see you next time.